Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's Taraji here and welcome to a brand new video. So today my friends and I are going for a hike at a certain waterfalls in the neighborhood. So come with us and I hope you enjoy. Yes.
Sini sawa, alafu tutembee tuende hadi bridge.
Hiyo distance.
Okay, hapo tukifika bridge
Ni straight.
tunaweza ingia bado.
Najiona? Habari zenu? Nzuri. Nyinyi ni akina nani?
Youth wa GC.
Alafu mnadu?
Nenda hiking.
Wapi huko?
Waterfalls.
Ai? Aya, semeni kwa she.
Tumefika Flatland.
Public address. You guys, where have we come from? Let's have Chloe telling us about how the journey has been. We have just come down the steep of a hill. Please address the nation on our behalf.
We are here.
Yes.
Waterfalls. It's just a few meters away.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
The journey has been tough, but with God, we've made it.
What was some of the toughest tests on the journey?
So, ukweli, one of us are going Crocs. Appropriate attire. Appropriate attire. We should, as in we should consider kuvaa attire yenye ni appropriate. Lakini
Akisi, we are sorry.
madam,
Okay, now from here, where are we going, Val?
We are going to the waterfall now.
We are heading direct to the waterfall. We do this, guys?
Yes.
Say cheers!
Cheers!
mutafika? Safari bado.
One of them should be there. But I think we can go to the bridge, take a photo, and then we go in. Still?
Yes. here. There. But ni kidogo kwa sababu
where are we, guys?
at the waterfall.
At the waterfall.
Bridge.
At the bridge, Sindio? Yeah. So where are we heading?
The waterfall.
And the waterfall is on which side?
There.
Right there, up there, right?
Yeah.
That's where we are heading. We are going through this road up to the waterfall. Sindio?
Yes.
You do this, Sindio?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's where we are headed to. Wow. Dogo tu. Aya, Madam Crocs. Tuone vile utapanda na vile ina slide. Alpha. Aya, group 1 wamefika. Madam Crocs, wave. Madam Crocs, wave at the camera, please. Good. Aya. Nikusabulianza mbele yao. Woi, wamekwama. This is so much fun. Masi Kimeli. Masi, nafaa kuwa umeshafika wewe kwanza. Ilifaa utangulie. Ndio ukishindwa wenye wako nyuma yako wakusukume. Finally, Masi has arrived. Here we are. Here we are at the falls, and there it is. We've made it up here. Ati? Everyone is here. Here we are. Kila mtu wa face kamera tafadhali kama ume make it up here. Woo! Nani anatu address wewe? Olivia. Oh, Madam Lauren. Madam Crocs, please. The camera is on you. How has it been? Jason. How has it been, please?
It has been fun, it has been good. Mi kwanza karibu ni slide lakini nilivumilia ndo msicheke.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a nice place. It's my first time here. Nimeenjoy. Yeah, it's fun.
Nani mwingine ni first time yake kufika huko? Wow. Mko wengi?
Nasikia aje umefika huko.
On behalf of watu wenye wamefika leo ni first time yao, say something please.
Hey. Okay, the journey has been nice, fantastic. Yeah,
Nice.
Hi. We are here. It has not been easy. We thank God. He has given us strength to be finally up the mountain. You can be able to see the falls, the waterfalls. Very beautiful scenery. We are here. We feel happy. There's a cool breeze coming up on this mountain, and we feel nice. This is a wonderful experience. I'll see you.
Hello, we've come to the end of today's video. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the family and help